Good morning, and thank you for joining us for Thursday's Daily Market Outlook, brought to you by binary.com.
Facebook stock leapt 5% in the last session after reports that it's testing Messenger in dark mode in several countries. The euro plunged 1% as Germany and the Eurozone posted soft manufacturing PMIs and slowdown fears mounted. The sterling plunged over 1% as data showed that British factories ramped up their stockpiling in December in preparation for Brexit. Bitcoin has gained 1% in the last session, flirting with the 4K mark. The ATR continues to signal high volatility in the upcoming period. The price of crude oil has gained 4.8% in 3 sessions, up 2.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI enters the overbought area. The Aussie dollar pair has fallen 0.7% in the last session. The RSI remains negative. The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. Stochastic currently dwells in the overbought zone.
That's all for Thursday's Daily Market Outlook, brought to you by binary.com. Trusted by traders since 2000.